Vedic astrology has its roots in Vedic astronomy, a celebrated branch of ancient Indian science. Long before telescopes were invented, the sages of Bharat looked up at the stars not just to observe, but to understand. You may have heard of Rahu and Ketu. Unlike other planets, they don't physically exist. So why does Indian astrology place so much importance on them? Well, I may not know whether Rahu and Ketu truly affect our lives. But one thing is clear. Our Rishi Munis were not imagining things. Let's explore a small part of what our ancient sages discovered thousands of years ago. We all know the Earth revolves around the Sun. This path forms a flat plane called the ecliptic. Similarly, the Moon revolves around the Earth, creating its own orbital plane. Now here's the interesting part. The Moon's orbit is tilted slightly by about 5 degrees compared to the Earth's orbit. These two planes, the Earth's and the Moon's, intersect at 2 points. In modern astronomy, these are called the North Lunar Node and South Lunar Node. And in Vedic astronomy, they are called Rahu and Ketu. As our reference point is Earth, and we see the Sun and the Moon moving, this is the relative orbital path with Earth at the center. The point where the Moon's orbit is moving from south to north is referred to as the North Lunar Node, or Rahu, and the other one as South Lunar Node, or Ketu. And here's something even more fascinating. These 2 points are always exactly opposite each other, 180 degrees apart. That's why, in a Vedic horoscope, Rahu and Ketu always appear in opposite houses. For example, if Rahu is in the first house, Ketu will always be in the 7th. Now, think about this. Could it be just a coincidence that ancient Indian sages calculated all this without modern science, satellites, or computers? We can debate whether Rahu and Ketu have real-life effects, but we can't deny that thousands of years ago, the Vedic civilization had deep knowledge of astronomy and mathematics. Do like and subscribe Kashi Gemstones, Soul of Kashi, set in stone. Stay connected with Kashi Gemstones for more informational videos on Vedic astronomy.